This recording will show you how to take a test proctored with Proctoria. To save yourself some time, energy, and nerves, please follow the directions. First, log in to our Canvas course page. The test should be taken only from the Canvas course page, not from the link in your dashboard or the general Canvas courses. Once you log in into our Canvas course page, go to Modules. Go to the end of Module 5 and click on Test Number 2, Chapters 4 and 5, New, Remotely Proctored, and read the directions. Let's read it together. The test can be taken anytime between 12 a.m. on Thursday, October 8 to 11:59 p.m. on Friday, October 9. Basically, you have 2 days, Thursday and Friday, to choose when to take the test. After that time, the test will be locked for any attempts. You only have one attempt, so before starting, make sure you have enough time to complete it. The test is proctored online through the link in the first question of this quiz. You have 110 minutes time limit and one attempt. Once started, it must be completed. Please let me know ahead of time if you need any accommodations. Make sure that you use Google Chrome browser. Turn on your webcam. It must be on the whole time during the test. If your face goes off the camera, the test will stop and you will lose some time to re-sign into it. Please go to proctoria.com/support for live chat with the support right away if you have any technical difficulties before or during the exam. Make sure your entire face is showing in the video at all times. You'll be asked to take a picture before you start the exam. Your face must stay in the camera the whole time, even when you put your head down to write notes in a scratch paper if you need. Take your restroom breaks, take water, check for stable internet before you start the test. Also, before you start the test, close all the tabs except Canvas tab. If you need to use StatCrunch, you will see a square tag in the question that might require a StatCrunch use, and you will be able to click on it to open StatCrunch. Find question number 1 and open the test link. Once you finish and submit the quiz on MyMathLab, please come back to Canvas quiz and respond submitted to question number 1. Then respond to question number 2 and click Submit the Quiz button. You will see a 1 point first in your Canvas gradebook. I will update your actual score manually according to your MyMathLab within 48 hours. Before starting the test, make sure to read the directions. Now let's click Take the Quiz. You will go through some Proctoria settings. It will check for your camera, desktop tabs should be all closed except one tab, and internet connection. Go to question number 1, click on this link to take you to test questions. Continue, say OK. The new tab with the test questions will open up. Click Start the Test and respond to the test questions. There are 32 questions. You have 110 minutes. This is approximately 15 minutes more than on average test. This test usually takes about 60 to 85 minutes. So you have some extra minutes in case if you have any technical issues, then you can fix it during the test with Proctoria support. Once you answer all the questions and you're ready to submit the test, click Submit Test. It will give you a warning if you did not answer any of the questions, that please go back and answer those questions. Click Submit Test. You will see your responses. You will not be able to review your test until after the due date. Click OK. Go back to the previous tab and type Submitted in the first question. Then go to question number 2 and answer the academic integrity question. I hereby verify that it was solely me and not anyone else who took this exam, and that I did not use any external help such as friends, relatives, tutors, outside websites, except StatCrunch, Non-permitted notes except formulas and STEP for StatCrunch or graphing calculator use. And when you're ready, submit the quiz.